Hi, this is Sharon at fitinfun.com, and here's some information about going to pick up my Demurrer paperwork at the San Diego Superior Court today. I filed it on Thursday. I thought I was going to have my copies to get back today, Monday, and no, that's not the way it is. What I should have done is take 3 copies and stamp my 3rd copy at the same time that I stamped the 2 I was turning in. Then I would have that 3rd copy, and that is what I would use for the service when I have to tell my plaintiff that we have a court date and they need to appear in answer to the papers I filed. First of all, I'm certain that they know that because I've had traffic on my website that it wouldn't only be from that bunch of people, because normal people who are at my website are searching for things like food and dry skin brushing and obesity, not legal matters, and not from my town. So I know that they are aware that it happened, but I still have a legal requirement to serve them. And at this point in time, I honestly do not know what that legal requirement is. I'm moving on to some other things, and I'm going to look into it again tomorrow morning. But according to the court people, my documents will not be available for pickup until at least 2 weeks, and maybe only at the court date, because first of all, the San Diego Superior Court is low on staff, low on money, and way behind on everything they do, which that's the first time they made that comment to me. And second, because the judges are processing things as they go, in order of court date, not in order of filing. So, in other words, the things they're working on right now are the things that the judge needs to see, not the things that I want a copy of. And he does not need to see this paperwork for weeks because our court date is in November. So they basically kind of, I don't want to say threw up their hands, but they're like, no, you can't get this stuff. It's not going to be available. And now I also understand what would have been available is if I was a landlord doing that first summons. That is available in 1 day because they know that you're filing your paperwork in order to be approved to serve somebody. So they're going to do that in 24 hours to see if you have the correct paperwork so you can serve your tenant. But in the case of what I did, it's just a reply to that paperwork. They no longer can do that until we straighten that paperwork out. And so there is no time crunch where something has to be done immediately. I also found out that the reason that I couldn't find out if they had the service date correct is that a normal procedure is for the attorney to bring that service paper in on the 6th day and prove it when they do their court filing for the next step. They normally won't come in and file it when they first do it. So that's why I couldn't find it. It wasn't that they were doing something unusual. They were following their procedures. So I had nerves thinking that maybe they would say that they served me earlier and my 5th day would really be the 10th day or something, but there's nothing like that. It's just the way that they follow their procedures. So stay tuned. I'm still working on this, and I should know more tomorrow, and I'll make another video at that time. Hopefully I'll know how to serve them. Hope you're fitting in fun regardless of whatever else is going on.